The Galaxy F54 serves as Samsung's flagship mid-range phone in 2023, but it has faced criticism for its sluggish performance and subpar user experience, particularly in comparison to the flagship S series. The anticipation for a potential Galaxy F55 in 2024 is high, with expectations for significant improvements. One major concern with the F54 is its software optimization, as it exhibits noticeable UI frame drops and lags, impacting daily tasks and app responsiveness. Samsung is urged to prioritize delivering smooth out-of-the-box performance for the F55, avoiding reliance on subsequent updates to address fundamental UI issues. The Galaxy F54 houses the Exynos 1380, utilizing Samsung's 5M fabrication with 4 Cortex-A78 and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. However, its performance, with an N22 score of 500,000 and a Geekbench cCPU test score of 700, falls short of expectations. Rumors suggest the F55 could feature the unannounced Exynos 1480, coupled with a potential AMD GPU, aiming to significantly enhance overall performance and gaming capabilities. Camera improvements are also desired, as the F54 lacks a zoom lens, limiting its versatility. The F55 is speculated to boast an enhanced camera system, addressing these concerns and potentially offering faster charging. The rumored launch price around $499 positions the F55 as a more powerful yet still affordable option compared to the F54. With expectations for a robust processor, a sizable battery, and a triple-lens rear camera system, the Galaxy F55 is anticipated to provide excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. The community eagerly awaits official details on the Galaxy F55 to see if Samsung addresses these concerns and delivers an enhanced mid-range smartphone experience. Share your excitement for the Galaxy F55 in the comments section, and stay tuned for more updates. That concludes today's discussion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section, and I look forward to our next video. Peace out.